Cole here with Inner Team Marketing. Just wanted to record a quick training video showing you how each life cycle stage is defined for HubSpot, or at least is defined typically. Different companies have different ways of defining these things, but this is the most common setup that we usually see. So I'm going to use a little Miro board to explain this. So the first step is usually subscriber. So people usually use this life cycle stage for things like a newsletter submission or a free trial submission, lead forms that have less intent than a booked demo or like sales contact form. The next step is lead. Lead is usually more or higher intent lead forms like a book a demo or a sales contact form. Then you have marketing qualified lead. This is a lead that comes through the pipeline and is deemed qualified by the marketing team if the marketing team knows how to spell the word qualified. So marketing qualified lead is often also used to define leads that are more informational conversions, things like ebook conversions or sometimes free trial as well. It's also commonly shortened to MQL, so we'll do the same thing. The next one, sales qualified lead, and linking these in a Miro doc for a reason, because they really should be thought about in terms of stages of intent. The further you get down the sales funnel, the more valuable it is for a company. So, sales qualified lead, shortened to SQL, is a lead that has connected with the sales team and the sales team has deemed qualified. Often it means they had a sales call, right? So, yeah, that's sales qualified lead, slightly more qualified than MQL. The next stage is opportunity. So, an opportunity is an SQL, somebody who connected with the sales team, had the call, and then received a offer. The important thing to note for marketing and conversion optimization purposes about opportunity is this is the first stage where you have a value associated with the lead. They've been given a quote for the amount of the deal. So this is the first step in which you can actually optimize for conversion value in your campaigns based on the prospective deal amount. They often call this the pipeline. And then finally, final stage, customer is the status given to leads when they actually close. One thing you have to be careful about if you're using the customer lifecycle stage as a conversion in the ad platforms is you have to be careful that you don't fire the customer conversion for contacts that were not associated with the deal that get automatically moved to customer when the deal closes, right? Think about the COO closes the deal, signs off on it. He's the guy that the sales team has talked to from day one. And then let's say the IT guy signs up, gets assigned the status of lead, and then there's a workflow in HubSpot that automatically updates his status to customer, right?
Mm.
That happens from time to time, especially with branded campaigns where people are searching for the brand and clicking ads on Google. So it's something to keep in mind and to be careful about, especially when evaluating branded and retargeting, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So that's life cycle stages in HubSpot, how to define each one, where they sit in relation to each other, and what it means for conversion tracking. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on the video. And as always, if you found value in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.